Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide, and I'm your Ramesh Kodumuru. In this video, we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is the APM Java client versus Selenium client compatibility matrix. And this compatibility matrix should be known for every tester must know this compatibility matrix. Why? Okay, if you know this compatibility matrix, we can avoid the version conflicts. And it's very important to understand this compatible matrix. It is not only useful for Java, it can be useful for Python. Okay, by the end of this video, you can understand why this compatible matrix is very important and it should know by the every tester. Okay, so before starting our concept, as you know, all my scripts will be available in the GitHub. Just go to the APM guide. Okay, you can just clone the GitHub. Okay, and you can find all the scripts what you are working on the videos and the important files in APK files. Okay, you can download from this one. Okay, and apart from that one, whatever we're discussing in the videos, all the content will be created as articles, and you can just go to the medium, okay, at the rate of APM guide. I can just go to the articles here. Okay, and we have the I have the blog also, that is a one-stop destination for endless APM knowledge. Here I am mentioning, I will providing all the articles and videos, and I create a separate pages for the each and every concept here. Okay, you just go through here and click on this pages, and you can find the related articles and the video series for each and every topic which I mentioned here. Okay, so coming back to our topic, that is the compatible matrix for the APM Java client and Selenium client here. So I had a part of this video, we are going to discuss the four main points. That is the brief introduction to it, why the compatibility matrix matters, we'll see the difference between the compatibility and without compatibility here. So we have a use the script. Okay, I will run the script and we will see what happens this when they say no compatibility between these two clients. Okay, and step by step discussion we will do it regarding this compatible matrix. Okay, so both in case of Android and Python. Okay, let's start. What exactly this? So first of all, we go with the introduction. Okay, as you know, the Appium and Selenium are most powerful open source framework, and Appium and Selenium is for the web automation, whereas Appium is for the mobile automation. And Appium relies heavily on the Selenium Java client. Okay, making version compatibility between these two is very crucial for the stable test execution. That's why I told this video is very important. We need to understand this compatibility matrix. Okay, so why this compatibility matters? See, Appium internally depends on the Selenium libraries. Okay, for WebDriver interface, remote WebDriver class, desired capabilities or options, web element and find by mechanism. Okay, and when the incompatible versions are used, it may lead to runtime exception, broken imports, unexpected behavior, and API deprecation issues. These are the causes when we have the incompatibility versions. So what exactly is compatibility matrix? Okay, so I open my Eclipse here. So here I am using the Marvin project, and I'll open the pom.xml. If you observe the pom.xml, I am using the Selenium Java client is the 4.27.0 version, and from APM Java client is the 9.4.0. So both, how can we confirm these both clients have the compatibility versions? So for that one, we just open the APM GitHub, just type APM GitHub, click on enter, and just click on this link, that is the apm-github. You open this apm-github, we have the Java client here. Click on this Java client, and here we have the, you just scroll down this page, you can be able to find a compatibility matrix. So APM Java client versus Selenium client. Okay, so currently if you see in my Eclipse, in my form.xml, the Java client I'm using is the 9.4.0 and Selenium Java client is 4.27.0. So we check it compatibility or not. Yes, see 9.4.0 is compatible with the Selenium client 4.27.0. Okay, and I want to show if you are supposing new releases will come. Okay, so it says the new version is a 9.5.0. Okay, in case of Appium Java client and Selenium we have 4.34.0. So these both are compatibility. Okay, so currently we have compatibility here. Suppose I want to update. Okay, so I want to know the new Selenium Java client is released or not. So how we will get it? Just go to Selenium dev/downloads. So if you see here under the Java, we have the 4.34.0. Okay, this is a new Java client version we have, and I want to import this one. Means I want to update my project with this jar file. Okay, and if I using 4.34.0, the same case I need to update the Appium Java client here. That is the 9.5.0. Okay, so in the URL, just type //releases. Type the releases, click on enter. The latest is the 9.5.0. Is the latest version of the Java client here. Okay, so this is how we can able to find the latest version of the Java client and the Selenium client. Okay, and we have the compatible matrix in the Java client here. So whenever you are installing here, so whenever you are updating here, just go to this compatible matrix and update accordingly here. Okay, so this is the importance of compatible matrix. Now you see what happens when we do not have the compatibility, when we do not have the compatible client versions. Okay, means incompatible client versions. What will happen here? So before that one, we'll just will not update the Java files now. Just select any script so that we'll run the script and we'll see before updating the Java client and Selenium client, we'll run the script and we'll see the script should run properly because we have the both client versions are compatible with each other. Okay, and then we will update. We'll see. Okay, we'll update the one of the client which is not incompatible with others. We'll see what type of errors will come. How to resolve that one. Okay, so before running the script, just start the Appium server. Just we will start launching the Appium server here. Now we have selected one of the script here. That is the you just install the API demos APK and get fetch the session ID here. Okay. So as of now, our both clients are compatible with each other. Okay. So it should not give any issues. Just run it because it has installed the API demos app and fetch the session ID. Yes. We have installed the APK demos app and we got the session ID here. Okay, no, this is working fine here. So what I will do, just go to the form.xml. Here I will update the Java client version. So the latest Java client version is 4.34.0. Okay, so I have updated this one here. 4.34.0. Click on save. So automatically Maven will update the jar file. Building it here. So just refresh here. So now I have the Selenium Java client that is the 4.34.10. Okay, and whereas I have the Appium Java client is the 9.4.0 which is incompatible with each other. Okay, as per this matrix. Okay, as per this matrix, it is incompatible because I am using this one and I am using this one. Okay, so I run once again the same script. I run the once again same script. Previously it working fine. Now it should throw a error here. Just close this one. I had to uninstall here. Okay, yeah. So now once again I'll go to run this script once again. Previously is working fine. Now it has to give some error message here because we are using the client versions which is incompatible here. So you see, it has to the context aware. Okay, this is the error message we got it. So the error message will change. Okay, okay, but we will make sure that the both client versions should be compatible with each other. Okay, now how we solve this problem? Go here. So as per this matrix, compare matrix, if we are using 4.34.0, I had to update the API Java client to the 9.5.0. So go back to our Maven form.xml, just update. Yeah, 9.5.0. Click on save. The Maven will download the latest Java jar files here. Okay, click on close this one and just refresh here. Now, once again, I run the script now. Okay, now it has to run the without any issues here. Because now there is no conflict between the client versions here. See, now there is no issues between the these two clients because there is no compatibility issue here because I have updated the Selenium Java client. Okay, that is a 4.34.0 and APM Java client is 9.5.0. Okay, which is compatible with each other. Okay, whenever you want to update the concern Java file, the concern client. So make sure that just go through this compatibility matrix, then update it here. Otherwise, if it's not compatibility, it may throw error message or throw some exception here. Okay, so this is all about the compatibility matrix between the Selenium client versus the APM Java client. See, not only this is applicable for Java, but same case will applicable to Python also. If you go to the Python client. Okay, just scroll to it. Here also we have the compatibility matrix. So whenever you are updating the clients here, so make sure that the compatibility match. Okay, it's the same case with the Python and Java. Okay, this is the importance of the compatibility matrix. Okay, but that is called the API and Java client versus Selenium client here. So this is very important topic, that is the compatible matrix what every tester must know. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.